Vodafone's new customer service is a little bit different. It's called Just Ask Once. Message them on the Vodafone app. You deal with one person and they keep you updated until it's sorted, so you can get on with your day. It's customer service made easy from Vodafone, the nation's network. Vodafone's new customer service is a little bit different. It's called Just Ask Once. Message them on the Vodafone app. You deal with one person.
Yo. Give me 1 second to clean my glasses. Okay. So UK pound is definitely not doing well. It looks like there might be a few issues with the pound. That's not ideal, that's for sure. Just closing Discord and Telegram. Okay. Right, okay, there we go. So let's have a look at the charts then. What are the charts saying? Okay, so go on to here. See these lows, we went high there, we went high there. We got relatively equal highs over here also. That's interesting. That might be a level for price to go to continue coming to the bearish side on euro. Because I think we're still a little bit bearish on euro dollar. We definitely are on pound dollar, that's for sure. I'm expecting pound dollar to fall relatively hard. It might not even give the chance for yeah, see, it kept going down, kept going down. Yeah, that's concerning, that is. And then we come over here, took these highs, and we had a huge reaction to the downside, so that's not good. But at the same time, it makes me wonder, are people gonna look to sell from that zone? Because you got relatively, the yen's also strengthened quite a lot. Because the Bank of Japan made a statement that they might do rate hikes next year, I think. So obviously that's going to add a bit of strength to the yen for those who wanted to short it. It's going to make it not so appealing for shorts. And then we come down, and then we took some lows. We did what we took. Oh, well, we made equal lows, I suppose, but we did kind of take these lows right here. And it was just in the time window as well of Frankfurt Open, so that's also, yeah, fair play, fair play. You can definitely use that. And then we can say this zone here should be a zone that fails. Should be. But I think it looks like I've already missed the potential. Keep an eye on GJ from this zone right here. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on that. Just because you got all of this zone to attack before we sell off again. So the goal is to short GJ, that's for sure. Let's just see how price action behaves though. If it gives clean price action, then we can definitely short that. We just need to see what it does if it allows us to get that clean price action. Just look for news today. Okay, that's fine. So we haven't got any more news till 9 o'clock for German IFO business climate, and then we're fine till 1:30 for GBP for USD durable goods. So that's fine. So what was that? It's GPY, wasn't it? Yup. So if I was to say put a limit here, the limit was just say 2.5, and then the stop loss was just below the low. For some reason on ECG it says it's 5 pips, but that's fine. Yeah, so we'll have to see what happens, because basically what you've got is this, yeah. So I want to see price come in here and then rally into this zone. That's what I'd like to see. Like, doesn't mean I will, but we will see in what happens. Right, so GBPCHF, sticking alert on at 40. Sticking alert on at 50, so we don't miss anything. Euro GBPCHF is a tricky one. I don't know what to do with GBPCHF. Bit of a sketchy one, man. I'm not too sure what to do. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. I'm just setting the limits on everything. Right, so we'll see what happens here. Either it's gonna hit or I'm gonna get hit. Either way we find out. So let's see what happens. What's on GBPCHF? Alright, so on the rest of the stuff, Anyway, GBPUSD, what am I doing with this, man? Oh, this looks like a short. Build up here, which was induced, and then price fell from there. Right, I'm triggered. So either I'm gonna make some money or I'm gonna get whacked. We will see in a brief moment. I'd like to see price go up and break that high. That would be ideal, but if not, you take a L, you accept the L. It's as simple as that. No being moody about it. Oh, I took a loss or whatever. No, it's part of the trading game. You have to accept it for what it is. Coming in, let's see how price reacts to if it wants to. If we get a strong push now, that would be good. If we don't, bit concerning. Okay, so looking at that there, looking at that there, it's gone into that zone, so we're not too sure about what to do on that one. I'll just show that I have taken it on my accounts. 1 second. Heron copy. There you go. So you can see that it is active on all the accounts. It has triggered on all the accounts, and I've got it on my phone as well on funded next. So you can see right there the position has been filled. We're in floating balance right now, profit. So let's see how this trade does. Hopefully we catch a win today before London session. That would be brilliant. Would be brilliant, but anything can happen in trading, so just got to be mindful of that. And then so obviously on euro, pound, you got this demand zone right here. Wrong one. I need to make a demand zone, so draw that out. That for me looks invalid. Okay, let's have a quick look at. Okay, I'm hovering around 5 and a bit pips. Not too bad. I'd like to see, you know, volume coming in with a bit of momentum. That would be ideal because it's signifying I've caught the right zone. And if we can just break that high, it allows me to go break even, risk off of the trade. No concern, no worry in my mind. So let's see how things go on this trade. Okay. Moving well for now, so let's hope it continues to move well and it's not just a enticement of more traders to come in, because we do have a bit of a tiny channel right here, so there's also that little concern. So let's just see what happens with this. Yeah, okay, so and then we've also got all of this here as well, so that makes me think that that zone should fail. So we'll see what happens here. Okay, it's looking good. Price is moving well from that zone, so that's giving me a bit of confidence, but patience and perseverance is the most important thing. On the funded next account, I'm up 1 grand, so that's about 2R. SL was a bit bigger than what it should have been. Is 4.8 pips on funded net. I could have made it tighter actually. Oh well, it's fine. No problem. And now either price is going to start rejecting from this level, or we're going to push through. I'd like a push through, breaking the high to allow me to roll my stop to the break even point. Probably just a little bit over break even to cover for commissions. So let's see how price reacts here. Okay, we're seeing GBP fall. I was like it to break. It's okay if it gives a bit of a pullback, that's fine. I just need it to go up and take that high, and then once it's taken it, boom, break even in 1 2 3 4 5 6, probably 2-3 more minutes, so 7-8 minutes, and then hopefully we catch a break even. With this, I'm not sure what to do, because you got to build up here, you've induced that, you've got this zone here also, so you've taken these relatively equal highs. Oh, there we go, volume coming in a bit hard. I like that. That's what that's what I like to see. That's what I very much like to see. Right, I've rolled my stop on one of my accounts.
Now it's even easier to sell for free on eBay. I was thinking,
oh, that's annoying. On this account it broke the high. Yeah, okay, it didn't break the high. Hello Musa. Hello. Just currently in a trade on M1, so just bear with me for a moment. Thanks for joining, by the way. Okay, so I need to roll stop to break even. I just need to price to come above this high on M1, and then I can roll the stop to break even on that account. Just a bit of patience is needed here. Welcome Musa. Okay, I got triggered in at an even better price actually. I got triggered in at 20, so it's an even tighter stop. That's good. That's not bad at all. And then we can target these highs over here, which as long as it's around 30 pips. Ooh, 30 pips is a little bit high. We'll see how price goes. We will see how price goes to that zone. Price is hovering around this zone. Just give it a moment. Doing a bit of a pullback, that's fine. So I'm floating profit right now between all the accounts, about $2,000 floating. That's okay. Either it's gonna turn into a L, which is gonna be annoying. If it starts to come down to the entry point, I'm gonna bring my stop loss higher. So let's see what happens with that. Okay. Now let's look at Euro GBPCHF build up. Okay, so I'm not too sure what to do with this, because you got a channel here that's expanded downwards, but that's not a sign for me to buy GBPCHF yet, so I'll have to wait on GBPCHF. Let's look at Euro, Pound. I needed to make a lower high. If we can get like a lower high, and then from here, and then break this low, and then we get a retracement into that zone, we could definitely short into around these levels. That would be ideal. Musa, what stuff do you trade? Are you Forex trader or what? If you're still here, I don't know if you're still here or not. So now we're floating around 2 grand in balance now, because the price is doing a slight bit of a retraction, which is fine. Oh, no. Let's bring that over. I am, but I haven't been profitable. I've been trading for a few years now. Wow, okay, so I've been trading for a while, that's for sure. I'm gonna cut the risk in half, just so my SL is not the full balance, it's half of the balance. There's no point allowing yourself to have exposure on a trade if price is starting. I need the price to break this high for me to fully continue rolling break even, but it's made an equal high, which for me makes me think price might make another leg to the downside, so I might take a L here. I'm just gonna minimize the risk on the trade, just to be careful. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people suffer from psychology problems, which is why they're not really profitable traders. A lot of it is psychological, unfortunately. I would advise looking at your trading plan and just seeing how you get on with it. You need to make a solid trading plan, you know, saying, you know, this is my stop loss, this is my TP, this is how many trades I can take, this is how much I'm allowed to risk in my trade. Like, you need to make the full rules, you know, for everything, not just the criteria of why you enter a trade, but the criteria of what leads you to getting out of a trade also. Oh my god, one of my accounts didn't even trigger. Why did it do that? What the hell, man? I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. One of my accounts didn't trigger. Price might want to come into this order block right here. So this one right here. I wouldn't mind if it touches it and then shoots off with momentum again, because then it's still showing that buyers are still having a strong, solid momentum. I'm just going to sort my trade copy out on this one account. 1 second. Stupid account. Yeah, it was a cute Quantical Power account actually. That's what it was, yeah. Quantical Power. We needed .p. Have we got .p anywhere? No, we don't. We need .p. Where's my notes for the thingy? Yeah, symbols. There we go. Need it as a .p. Okay. I think this is the one we needed. Symbol aliases. There we go. Risk multiplier. If we do 2, 5 on there. We want to do 2 on here. Why is it not? Why is it not letting me even add it onto the... Why is it not going onto the page? Okay, for some reason it's not letting me add the copy, the slave. Why is it doing that? Wow, okay, for some reason I can't add my trade copy onto my account. I don't know why it's doing that. That's weird. 1 second, bro. I'm just having issues with one of my accounts. I'll have to deal with it later, I suppose. It's annoying when you're in a trade and all your accounts don't trigger. So annoying. I lack consistency and a reliable strategy to trade with, but you just found a follower. I'll follow you on social media platforms. Yeah, thank you, Musa. I don't teach technicals. I just teach psychology because I don't have the time or the patience to teach technicals. Because with technicals, a lot of people say, oh, your strategy is wrong, you're wrong, this is not right, why can't I find profitability, blah, blah, blah. So because of that, I'm just looking to teach psychology, and that's all, because psychology, I believe, is the main reason why people fail. So if you have psychology like tips and stuff, I can help you with that. But with that's the only thing I can help you with. Yeah. What you need to do is you need to do back testing, because you need to get your data. Once you've got your data, that's going to make a huge difference, my guy. Because the data is also going to give you the confidence to know the strategy. Also, the data helps you realize little problems in your strategy as well. If you've got little quirks or anything, that's going to help you. I don't like this price action because we're seeing wicks on the upside and we're seeing a bit of bearish momentum, wicks on the upside. I need price to come tap into this demand zone and then potentially shoot off again. It's a little bit sticky, that situation is.
Next time on Love Shack Celebrity Caravan Edition.
What the hell is Celebrity Love Shack Caravan Edition? Astaghfirullah. I appreciate you following, Musa. It means a lot. But yeah, you can come to my streams, and if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask any questions. I just don't like answering technicals because you yourself probably already know, or this scammer or that scammer, you know, like these types of things. Yeah. But if you have any questions, I'm happy to ask about psychology and how to become a better trader and what you need to become a better trader. I can help with that. Oh damn, it's touched that zone. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Now I'm gonna have to switch to going long. I might have to switch to going long on this one. Yeah, I probably will have to switch to longs. I'm just gonna most likely turn into this now. Yeah, that's why I focus on psychology. I've got a lot of friends who do trading, and all of them struggle with psychology. And with me, my psychology is really strong, really strong. So because of that, like prices coming to my zone is give reaction. Most people be excited. I'm not excited. Prices coming back, I'm not excited or scared. Prices doing what it needs to do, let it do what it needs to do. You can't let emotions come into trading, because you have to think with logic, like with sense and logic. You can't think with emotions, because emotions doesn't make money. Sense and logic is what makes money. So you need to be patient, and you need to review your actions. Like, look at yourself. Are you doing the right thing? Are you following everything correctly? That's also really important too. I just need a big push to break these highs on the M2 innit. I would just like a bigger push to break all them highs. Hey, there we go. That was a lovely push. But we need it to do a body close above, like a strong body close. And that would be fantastic. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I'll go on the M1 for that. If I can look for a body close, I want to look on the M1. I'm just trying to find another trade, but I don't know if I'll be able to find one. No, I'm an M1 trader. I trade M1. What type of trader are you, Musa? Are you low time frame or are you high time frame? I trade M1. Also, where are you from? Because of your name, Musa. If you don't mind me asking, where are you from? I'm just gonna put this onto Instagram. 1 second, not Instagram, X, sorry. Right, so that's me. I need to roll break even now, so just give me 1 second, my brother. Yeah, I just need to roll to break even. It should be around there. So that's 7 lots, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yeah, that's fine. Let's roll stop on this account also. So how many lots are we in? We're in 2 lots, so 5, 10. The break even rolled. Okay, price is moving now. You're getting some stronger volume kicking in. That's just uploaded now onto X. Boom. Right, so I just uploaded the profits of the trade and stuff. Let me just get a quick screenshot of this trade and then put that in there also. Just give me one moment, my guy. Thank you for the follow, Musa. I've just got it on my phone. Right, let's go back to okay. Right, so let me just get rid of all of this stuff because there's all that stuff in the way there. Higher time frame, I believe in holding trades. I'm from South Africa, just followed you on Instagram. Oh, thank you, Musa. Sorry, I was just putting the picture onto Instagram. Not Instagram, X. I've put it on X. I'll do a lot of my updates on there. I was just putting it on there. Let's see if we can move enough because I'm not going to take any partials or anything. The zone I'm waiting for a reaction is this zone here, which I'm hoping to get partials around 6.5 R. So let's see how that goes. Now I'm break even. I can't actually look at more trades, so let me look at another entry. Where we can enter from is the zone that broke there, so I could probably enter from here as a continuation. So let's see if we can scale into the trade. What have I done there? 1 second. Because of this, isn't it? Yeah, it's because of that. So if we used to put, I'm gonna do that there, just to have a slightly bigger SL. Yeah. So if price pulls back to this level, I don't mind hopping into more longs. And that would be a 2.7 R. That's really small, but it's fine. We can hold. Let's go on the M2. Can we get a better position on M2? Yeah, I'll stick on M1. So we might look at potentially entering from here. Possibly. There's no guarantee, just might enter from there. By the way, these are not signals, so Musa, if you're looking to copy my trades, be mindful that the win rate I have is around 20-30%. So this trade might fail, even this trade might fail, so don't follow signals from me. I just live stream to show that I'm a credible person, that I do live trading, that I'm authentic. As I said, I'm not really a teacher or anything, so just be mindful of that. In case you're thinking, oh, I'm gonna take a signal. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm up 2% on that account. I'm up 2% on that account. Up 3% on that. So I'm up around 5 or 6% from this trade across all my accounts. Which is not bad. It's not bad. Not bad at all. No, it's all good. I know this on signals. Yeah, good. I don't do signals or anything like that. Now, I'm not going to scale in. I'm just going to have the one trade and see how it goes. But I'd like to see a reaction from this zone. I'd like to see price come in here, tap it, and then go even higher. So let's see how that goes. And technique is already tapped in, hasn't it? If you cover the M2 order block, there you go. What sort of time frames do you trade? Is it 4 hour and daily? I'm guessing, yeah. I have a lot of friends who trade swing positions. Okay, so there you go. So now, if price comes down from here, you can long from here on EURUSD. So if I long EURUSD, that makes sense rather than longing pound. Well, that would make more sense. But if price taps into this zone here, it might give a reaction and then take the zone out. Just these pairs, GJ, GBPCHF, GBPUSD and EURUSD, that's it. I don't really trade euro, I trade pound. Because euro I just use for confidence against pound dollar. But I normally take trades on pound dollar because pound dollar has more pip movement on average. Okay, this zone's given a nice reaction, by the way. Would it have tapped into the... Yeah, it would have tapped it. It would have tapped it. It did tap it by 0.6 pips, so let's see what happens here now. I would have taken this if I had taken partials from the initial trade, so I could use my profits to scale in. But I'm not gonna put myself into a trade that could still potentially take a loss and then I'm hindering my account. So that's why I haven't taken this trade. Four hour and 1 hour is my entry point. So yeah, that's fair. Do you use fundamentals? Yeah, are you a fundamental trader? Because actually I love fundamentals, but I can't really use it on the M1. But I do love like fundamentals and the idea behind it, the knowledge behind it. I do quite enjoy that actually. Why is this not working on here? For some reason, the thing is not wanting to work. Let's go back to the notes, yeah. Grab the notes, get the thingy, get rid of that. This one here. It doesn't stick on the page. Why is that? I don't know why, but it's not letting me add my trade copier onto one of my accounts. So it's triggered on all of them, but on one of my accounts it's not. This is annoying because when you have a lot of accounts, you get into like really annoying situations like this. I'm just gonna have to leave that one account and just have a look at it later, find out what's happening. Right, so I'm up about 30, 25, 35, 3700 USD. I need price to come break this high. Let's just draw on here the break-even point in it. So the break-even point was this. Do I have a break-even? No, I don't. Let me put it in here. Yeah. Let's have a look at what time visibility 1 to 15. Yeah, that's perfect. They filled the order block on GBPJPY. Longs should pay off. Both analysis fundamentals are usually volatile. What do you mean they filled order block on GBP? Both analysis and fundamentals. Fundamentals is usually volatile. Yeah, I like fundamentals because it's easier. And the reason I say it's easy is because when you're using fundamentals, you've got the overall bias on your side, so you can swing that position for a week or two, and that's perfect. Oh, okay, we've almost hit $5,000 in profit. Let me just show that here. So we got all these accounts right here. Here's the balance, 3,125, and on my phone is 1,500-ish. It's hovering 1,006. So there's around 5 grand in profit, 5k in profit. Let's go back to trading. I'd show it on my phone, but I don't think it lets me show just the phone because it blanks it out. Yeah, look. Yeah, it doesn't let me show the phone. But I'm floating about, that's 1,430. Let's go to M2 so I can get a better view. I think we're floating around, so there's 3R, so we're floating around 5R then. It's okay. Personally, I want this zone to fail. Probably taking these highs here, so about 30 pips on GBPJPY. So that would be around 30 pips, which is my goal. Damn, I've never been made 1k just $500. Yeah, I've had profits before of like 5k, 6k, 7k a few times. My biggest trade was, I think, 25k was my biggest trade. But this was before I started doing YouTube, so I don't have any like proof of it or anything. And that's why I started doing YouTube, so I can show all my profits, show even my losses. But if price reverses and tags me at break even, I went 0, 5 grand profit, break even, that's okay. This is why psychology is important, Musa. You need to really control yourself. Oh look, the price tapped into that supply zone, so now price might want to make a lower low from here, take out that zone. Oh my god, GBPUSD is so bad today. It's really bad. GBPUSD. It's annoying because on one of my accounts, yeah, the SL was like, how big was the SL? I don't even remember. It was relatively big actually, but it's okay. Let me just, forgot to draw something on the charts. So this account's up almost 3% now. So the initial balance was, no, it wasn't that account, was it? ECG 10K, where are ya? ECG 10K, one sec. So it was ECG 10K. That's up 2% actually. Yeah, price is going up again. Lovely. If it breaks that high, more confidence given to hold that trade and continue and power through. Ooh. If it is starting to create a resistance level around here, but that's fine. I'm break even anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I don't know what to do with EURUSD, man. Because you know, if you look at structure on EURUSD, high, low, high, 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 low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, lower, high, but it could just make a higher low to continue higher. So I'm a bit like, with that. I just have to wait and see what happens. You know, you need a lot of patience, man. A lot of patience. Oh wow, look at that candle. Woo, woo, big candle. Pound's falling. That's not good. There's any news? Let's have a look if there's any news on pound. The retail sales come out bad, which we already know. So you see how price obviously didn't allow break even here, but it's come all the way down. Now this trade might be a L. This is why I don't like scaling into these trades unless I've taken partials from the initial trade. But all I see from here is that. Now, if price rallies from here, that'd be perfect. I could just start to push up again. Because now you've got a few equal highs. But let's see what happens. It doesn't matter. If this was the right move of the day, price would never come back to that zone. If price was to come all the way down here and take the zone, I was wrong. Price should not have to come back here. It should come here, sweep this, and then continue higher, but it should not come all the way back down here. There's no reason for that. Unless you're wrong. But that's why you cover yourself with the break-even process like that. As soon as you break the structure, boom, break-even. Now there's no more risk on your head. There's no more concern or worry. You're just free from all that stress. Seen quite a big divergence between EU and GU, aren't we? Quite a big divergence. It's not even allowing you to get in on shorts on GBPCHF either. But on Euro USD, it's a bit sketchy, man. See, look at that, it's giving a reaction again to the downside. Okay, so M1 is there. Chopping around there. I think we're stuck in between two zones which are not really good to trade from. So it picked that zone out, but on the M2 covers this low, I think. So I think on the M2, oh no, that zone, yeah, would have got taken regardless. Yeah, so you would have, see here, you would have took a trade. If you covered just this zone, you would have took a L. I don't know, because a lot of the time Frankfurt can give a clear direction. That's why I was just waiting to see if we get to this level. I want to take partials around here, and then if I take partials, then it's okay. Oh, look at that volume right there, just coming straight in. Wow. If it goes above this and closes with a body close, that's confirmation. That's a good confirmation. Get rid of that. And get rid of that too. So what I'm seeing here is a build up here. They come to take the build up to push high now. I'd love to see big body close. Nice big body close. You know, London has tendencies, right? So it has behavioral patterns. So once you see and understand those behavioral patterns, it makes a lot of sense what London is trying to do. It's just hard to catch it every single time, you know? Okay, so now we've kind of swept that. I need to go on M1. Are we going to get a body? I'd like a body close, actually. I'd like to see price come up with a nice body close over here, and then I'll be happy. Now we're floating around 5k again. prices. Let's have a look here. So from London Open on euro, we've gone up 10 pips, but we've ranged for 35 minutes. On pound, has obviously done a lot more than that. Pound's dropped 15 pips. So pound's given a direction. Okay, we're at 20 pips now, so we're at 5.5k USD. Behavioral patterns. So, okay, you know, if you're trading one asset enough times, yeah, you start to realize what times price tends to do reversals, what time price tends to have volume kicking in, why it tends to be that level, and a lot of it comes from understanding the behavior of that specific asset. Whether if it's gold, whether if it's crypto or anything like that, when you trade it long enough, you become comfortable and confident with it, if that makes sense. That's what I meant. Now I might look at, let's look in the middle here. So got 20, so 25 pips would mean I'm getting partials of 6.3R. So if I was to do half of 6.3, it would be 3.15R banked. Okay, I suppose I can. Let me just do a note on there. Uh, 25 pips, 6.3 RR. So that's just the level there of where the thing is gonna be, whether if I want to take partials at that level or not. So I'm just gonna write that there, so I've got it there. And then where's 30? Pips is right there, which is 620. 30 pips, 7.5 RR. So now I've got a couple choices of where do I take my money. Okay, so now we're at there. So we're up now how much? We're up 4.5. We're up 8 grand now. 4.5, 6, 7, 7,800. That's okay. That's not bad. I'm gonna keep holding. And if I do like in the middle, so like 20, that's about 7R. 7R is 28 pips. Okay, let's see what happens here. I'd love it to just kind of give me partials. Getting a push to the downside now. That could be people entering from that zone looking to take sells. Now we need to see who's stronger, buyers or the sellers. Come on, just give a bit of a reaction and then go back and take that zone and I'll be happy. What about on GBP over here? Yeah, okay. So we've taken these lows. So if we get a strong reaction on GBPUSD, it would solidify the long on GJ. It would solidify that. So let's see what happens here. Anyway, I hope I explained behavioral patterns well to you, or do you want more? Do you want more explanation? I can give you more of an in-depth explanation if you want. I'm just looking at what price action's doing. Oh, pound is coming down a bit, isn't it? Yeah, pound is so weak against the dollar. It looks like you might even want to come suit this low. We'll have to see. Let's grab that low 1 minute. Oh, look at that. It's good to risk diversify your trades also. This is a perfect example of risk diversifying. Now if you get a strong push, Hadouken, no, Shiryuken, what's the one that he does when he does the punch and he spins up? He does like the punch and he's like, wee. If we get possibly, anything can happen. It could come and now react again. I just have to wait. But the volume is good on the buy side, so I'm hoping that it continues. If I can hit 30 pips at 7.5 or I get to take some partials at the market, that'd be a lovely thing. That'd be a lovely thing. Yep, there we go. 5 grand. Because if we take this zone, then I can target all the way up here. So like 70 pips is normally my target. And then how much? What R is that? That's 17 R. That's okay. That's not bad. 17 R is not bad. Should take this zone entirely. Okay, close to taking partials. We're floating 7,500 right now. So I just need a bigger, nice little big push again. If we get another big push all the way to 30 pips, 7.5 odd, then I can take partials. Giving a reaction from that zone. Giving a very weird reaction from that zone. Come on. Come on. There we go. Was giving a reaction again. How many pips do you on GJ? 35 pips is partials, TP 70. That's fixed every time. And then on GBPUSD, it's 15 pips partials and 35 pips TP. But I do leave a runner. I always leave a runner, and the runner's at 15 pips on GU, each 15 pips. So 35, 30, 35 or 45 or 60. After that, I normally take out the money. Okay, GU still falling like it's gonna jump off of a cliff. There you go, gave a reaction. I'd like to see price now come higher. This is a longer than usual trade because I entered at Frankfurt. It's given a reaction again.
Here's a trading account as portable as your favorite playlist. Download Awanda's award-winning mobile app.
Shut up, Awanda. Why you keep giving adverts for, man? There you go, you're back. So it's given a reaction again, hasn't it? So let's see what happens now. Now, if we get a big bullish candle again, we're all right. If we start to see bearish momentum, then that's a concern. So let's see what price action does. Okay. Thank you, brother. Catch you live next week. Yeah, that's fine, Musa. Thanks for subscribing and stuff like that. I appreciate it. Thank you. It'd be nice to see some strong volume coming in to the upper side. So if we can push high, that like push hard up to the upside, that'd be good. Yeah, we are literally stuck in this zone right here, which is no good. Yeah, come on, just give me some big volume, break through that zone, hit the 7.5 so I can get my partials and I can go home. Well, I'm home, but I can go relax. Now this zone should fail. Now I need to be mindful because you got all of this build up on top, which is why I want that build up to get taken. I want it to all get taken. But if I can even get around like even if you get around 50 pips, that's still not bad. Because you're looking at 12.5 off, I think. That's about 12.5 off. Yeah, bang on 12.5. So let's see what happens. But I think price would at least want to go to about here. Say 60, 15. Yeah, we just have to wait and see in it what happens. Okay, prices just swept these lows here. Ooh, perfect. We might get a little bit of a reaction here on gbpchf. this would be ideal. So let's see what happens on GBPCHF because of that. And on GU, I'm still a bit hit and miss about what to do with it. But we will keep an eye on it, that's for sure. And see what happens. Right, so I need to keep an eye on GBPCHF and that. Floating balance right now, how much is it? So 7,500 floating balance again. Come on, give me a big push. Give me a big push to the upper side. And I'll be happy as Larry. Don't start doing stupid reactions now. So close to taking partials, and then price was like, nope. Is GBPCHF gonna go down or up? We're coming back up again. Let's see what that means. Are we back on M1 on here? Yeah, we are back on M1. That's fine. Ugh. This is actually not too bad. It's pushing with quite a bit of force actually, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful price action, man. Now we just need to see price push with enough force to break these highs. And then I'll be happy, because then we can start saying, right, okay, here we are, yeah. We're either going to break these highs, we're going to come for 30, or we're going to go for 35, whatever you want to call it. So it's be interesting to see what's going to happen. Now it's either going to keep going or it might start reversing, but I think it might keep going with force. Yeah, there you go, there you go. It's going to start powering through now. I'd like it to power all the way through to 8.7. Yep, there we go. Keep going. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. I've just realized I don't know how to take partials on TradingView. Ha! I'm just gonna let it go with force. I'm gonna close out partials there. And close out partials there. That's brilliant. That's absolutely magnificent, that was. That's beautiful price action. Right, so I'm still in these trades here. How do I take partials on TradingView? On MetaTrader 5, how do you take partials? I don't know how to take a partials. Modify or delete. Where's the lots? How do you close the lots on that trade? How do you... So I've rolled my stop to there. Now I'm gonna let this go to about 65, 16 odd, see if it keeps going. But I want to figure out how you take partials, man, on ACG. I don't know how to take partials. Damn it. Bulk operation, close all profit. No. Close position, new order, modify or delete. How do you take partials? I have to Google this. Damn it.
In Vodafone's summer sale, get our unlimited plus plan.
Right, stop's been rolled. I might actually get full TP on these accounts. Oh dear, that might be a huge win. That's going to be a huge win. I'll just keep holding then because I don't know how to roll the stuff on it. I need to Google how to take partials on MetaTrader 5. Oh, that's how you close it. Yeah, that's closed half of it. sick. Right, okay, so now I need to remember how to do that. So you click on it, you change it to market execution, and then you take partials from there. Got it. That makes sense. I got it now. I was literally sat there trying to figure it out because I had no idea how you take partials. So I just need to remember, click on it, live execution, then you can adjust it. Boom. That's fine. So what's 7.1 second? So I need 7.23, take away 90%, leave 0.7, so I need to leave 0.7 left. 0.7, so I'd say 2.8. Yeah, that's 10%. So I'll take another partials here. Because I took it at like what price did I get that? 2.8. Yeah, so 2.8. Okay, so let's go to this, then go to just modify the screen so you can get the full view on it. And it was 719 was 10R. And then we're gonna take the next partials at 65. Just 16R, and then we leave 10% running for the high. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I'm just working the maths out. That's right. Perfect. The 65 is 970. Ooh. Honestly, if I had kept it going based off of volume, I could have probably caught a lot more of that. But obviously the partials are supposed to be around here and I hold it. So I managed to get really good partials on that. So I'm not going to get greedy because I maximized the partials on that trade already. This has been an absolute daddy trade. Absolute daddy trade. It's not often that I get full TP, so when I do, it's a nice thing, because with M1s you normally just get a lot of partials and that's it. But with this is good that price ran or is still running at a nice level. I just needed to go up and wick that zone, and then we can start looking at considering taking partials at that level. The price is coming back up again, isn't it? Need to consider, am I gonna hold it all the way through or not? That's the next thing. Suppose we can take partials here and then leave the rest to run, can't we? No, don't start wicking at this level, mate. You need to keep pushing and powering through. And get ready to take some more partials here. I need a big push again. If I get a big push, I'll be happy. Come on. Gives a big in. No, doesn't want to, does it? Let's give a reaction instead. Unless it starts to make a wick on the bottom and push back up again. I just wanted to do a body close above that level, whatever pippage that is. There we go, there we go. So we're still up 6,000, 8,500. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely phenomenal. Just gonna wait and see what happens. I'm gonna roll stop loss as well. Oh wait, I need to do that on this account actually. Stop loss roll to this level, innit? 831. 831. Yeah, there. Stop loss roll to that level. I just wanted it to go up a little bit more. I'd like you to start coming down a bit and then go back up again. And after that, he's gonna take the money and then not be like greedy or whatever. Not even greedy, but just stop hitting the certain level. Having a few pips back and forth is perfectly fine. So you're literally 0.7. So 1.3 pips off of the level in it, so that's not bad at all. Bit of a long trade though, wasn't it? Gotta have faith. Gotta have faith. And I got faith it should still go up more. I don't know how much more, but I'm hoping like it doesn't. That just gives that last final push. Okay, hold the push. Hold the push. Now we're at 65, which is 16.25 partials. Hit the 70, please. It's starting to exhaust itself around this level. Either it's going to be a resistance level or it's going to power through again. I'm just not sure which one it's going to be. Looking a bit tricky around this zone, isn't it? I think it's gonna power through it. I think it can power through it. It's got the capability is what I'm trying to say. What are you doing, mate? Next time it goes up to this level, I'm gonna take partials. I can't be bothered with messing around with the price action. It's being so annoying. Yeah, I leave 0.5 in it. Yeah, so I close 3 lots and I leave 0.5. And then on this one, I'm going to close 1 lot, leaving 1.4. This one, I'm going to close 6 lots, leaving 1. Yeah, that should be alright. Back at 64-ish pips again. What are you going to do? Are you going to give us something or are you going to mess around? I just want to find out what it's trying to do. Like, what are you doing, mate? What is doing, mate? I needed to do like a nice push to the upside instead of messing around. It's so close as well to the level where I would like for it to go. Come on, mate. Give us a big push in it. What are you playing at? I just needed to give like a stout, strong push. I think from here it's going to start selling off. So when it goes up to this level, I'm just going to take it. Because I think the way it looks like it's going to come to this level and then just fall from there. It's kind of how price action looks like it's going to do something like that. Which isn't good. So I'm just going to take the money and go, you know, get out of it type thing. Literally waiting now, and if it does another final push up to that level. Screen flash then, what the hell? God's giving a sign. Bashy, take money, take partials. God's giving a sign. Okay, so I'm gonna take wait. Come on. Gives a push. He's doing it again. Come on, bro. Just go to 65, 66 pips so I can just take partials. I don't want to be faffing around with this, man. This can be quite frustrating when price does that, but you need to just be so patient. Like, it's got to be so patient with it. Look how close it is to the level as well. And it's just faffing around. There, I've took out 2,700 on this account. What about these? Where's these going? So I'm gonna take it out here. Boom. So I closed out more on that trade, and then on this one we're just gonna do it there. Taking out partials there as well. So what was that there? $68.4 pips, which was 17.1 or 68.4 pips, 8.4, and that was 17.1 or so 17.1 or. Perfect. So now I'm gonna roll the stop. 40 pips. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it where it is. So that was magnificent. Boom, done. Bro, I just took a trade, yeah? I just hit 17 or, bro. 17 or, you get me? Price is struggling around here, bro. Struggling around here, so I just took partials at this level here, which is 17.1 R. Now I'm gonna hold this trade for either, probably I'm gonna hold it for about this level here, innit? Because I left partials anyway. Bro, accounts are up massive. One account's almost passed. This account's literally, so it's in 4%, 3% drawdown. Now it's up 6%, 5%. This account was in drawdown. How much is this one up now? So this one was in drawdown 4%, no, 5%. Now it's at break even. This account's in profit. There's one annoying thing. One of my accounts didn't want to trigger for some reason. I don't know why. One of my accounts is in drawdown. Now it's up as well. The 50k account I had was in like a 7% drawdown. It's up now. I don't know how much. So yeah, just have to. I'll have to look later in it how much each account's up by, because it's a bit. You know what I mean? Too many accounts and that. So now I'm done on here. Leave in partials and just let it go. But you know, on my funded next account, I was risking 0.5% in it. So on that account, I made £4,600 and I was risking 0.5%. So 4,600, because I did partials at 10R and I did partials at 17R. Now I've left a runner, and the run is just another R up. Bro, literally fell off a cliff hard. I longed it from here, innit? From here. So literally, yeah. I seen that prices come down, swept this low in Frankfurt. It gave a higher high, higher low, higher high, break a structure. Price come into that zone and immediately went up, pulled back, gave break even, did a build up, inducement, pushed through. It gave a re-entry here, but didn't have partials in it. So I took partials here, which was 9.8 or 9, basically 10R partials. And then TP, well, second partials is here. I've rolled my stop. I'm gonna roll this up here now. So now I can just leave the trade. It's 70 pips up. Leave it, keep going. Either it's gonna take this level here and give a reaction, or it's gonna go to this level here, which is only 20 pips more, which I think is possible. So I'm gonna hold this one all the way through now to New York. That's gonna hold all the way through. So now I've got 10% running in it. So that 10%, if it does 24R, that's another say 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's another 0.6R over the overall trade. So now I'm just gonna leave it. It was a long trade though, man. I held it for time. Two hours, bro. Which is about right actually, because when did I take my TP? I took it on here, so it's an hour and 50 minutes. I told you about hour and 45 in it. So it's matched up with my data, which is perfect. Price moved the way it was supposed to. That was a big win, man. I needed that. That was a nice win. Nice win. Stick that on X now, innit? That's a hard trade, man. Still all in challenges, isn't it? But that's a hard trade, man. Proper hard. I like that. So accounts that are near to. Also, one of my accounts, bros, I don't know why, but it's not. It didn't trigger the account. I don't know why. It didn't trigger it. जरा तो refresh करने वाला है पूरा डोर ना खोलो जरा मीठा यार डोर बंद करो दा refresh करो thank you. ये फुकी छोरो चंगा ट्रेड आज जो ऐसी बू महल आज 10,000 ये 14,000 बनाया सी मैं ट्यूसडे ट्रेड की तसी लूज की तसी पैसे नहीं सी चंगा बोन की तसी तय एक चिका सी एक क्रिकेट नंबर 6 सी क्या मतलब कि याद नहीं करना ये करा ये अला ठीक है जो तो समय कम करना थैंक यू अला जो तो समय था थैंक यू So I need to find out why that one account didn't trigger, man. Literally, that account was... Bro, that would have been nearly passed. This account would have been nearly passed. Why did it not trigger it then, man? That's bare annoying, you know. It's not even letting me add the trade copier onto it. Like, it's not even letting me add it on. Okay, so this account now is up 1, 2, 3, 4%. This account is now pretty much break even. That's fine. This one is break even. No, 1% up. This account obviously didn't even trigger because the trade copy didn't work on it. This account is in drawdown, now it's at break even. I think it's a 6% drawdown, now it's at break even. This account was 8% drawdown, but now it's at 5% because I did so the 200k and the 50k on Quant Tech All, I did 0.25% risk because their drawdown was big. Their drawdown was like 7-8% in it. So I took 1, 2, 3 losses in the last 5 trades, but 2 TPs, which covered all of the losses. Actually, the 3 losses covered one of the trades, and this trade is raw profit. But obviously, I was only risking 0.25%. If I risked 0.5, I would have made double the money. I would have made nearly 10 bag. So yeah, now just let the runner run in it. I'm gonna lock that down and see if there's any other trades I can take. Bro, the floating profit was mad, you know, because I took partials at 10R, yeah, and I think it's floating 10 bag in it. So I took partials and it's still floating 5k. And then when I went to 17R, I was up like 7-8 bag again. I was like, this is mad. And it's on live stream as well, so I got a bit like, not gassed, but it's a bit like, it's on live streaming. It's just like people can't say, oh, you chat bollocks or whatever. I'm gonna pull this down a bit in case it's gonna induce that level and then go up. There. Now if I get tagged out here, it doesn't matter because I'm still up so much R anyway. I'll go to M5 now and then just chill on M5. Right, so I was gonna long this as well, but it didn't give an entry. So I can't do nothing here. I was gonna short this, but then it tapped into this zone here, come back up here again, and I was like, nope, I'm not shorting that. Pound I want a long. but I don't know if I should because of the time window, innit? The time window. I couldn't even short it. There was no like a build up like this, a channel for it to sweep and then push down. I didn't even get a chance to like short if I wanted to. I might end up getting tagged out with another % profit. So it might be a 10% day on this one account. Maybe, might be 10%. I'm not sure. It depends what happens with the price, innit? Right, so I don't think there's any other trade I can find. I'm done. I'm done, bro. I just want to find out why this one, my stupid account didn't want to trigger. What's wrong with it? It's a Quantical account. Oh, it's a Quantical account. Why is it doing that? It doesn't let me add it on at all. What about on Euro? Will it let me add it on Euro? It doesn't let me add it on Euro. Why is it doing this? The account's active, innit? It's saying something's wrong, yeah, but it don't say what the problem is. Why it's not loading the copier on there. It's a Quantical account as well. I got another subscriber, I think. Yeah, 737. Yeah, another subscriber. Well, I'm gonna get tagged, I think, but I literally don't mind. So close to tagging that zone. Thing is, I can't even fix the trade copier because I need these accounts to be closed in it so I can do it, so I can figure out what's wrong with that one account. Well, it's the one with the consistency rule, I think. Oh, it's the one with the consistency rule. It doesn't matter anyway. Yeah, that's gonna be annoying. That's mad, bro. Okay, so my accounts were 8% drawdown, yeah? Now they're at 5.6 on the 50k and the 200k. I need to do one more good trade and then, no, 2 more good trades and I'm break even on the big accounts. And one more good trade on the other accounts will be a pass. That's not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. I think price is gonna tag me out here, but it's okay. Just trying to figure out why this one account didn't want to work. Why is it being arse? All the settings are perfect on it, so I don't know why. Is it the symbols? Could it be the symbols are wrong? No, symbols are fine. Let me close the account. Then see if I can... Where's the installer? There's the installer. Boom. Install is complete. Go to dashboard. Minimize the dashboard again. Alright, some of my accounts have been rolled out. So ACG's been rolled out, which is fine. So ACG, all of ACG accounts have been tagged. That's fine. So now I made 10% on ACG. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Right, okay. Now will this account work? Bismillah. Right, now let's try to add it again. Still doesn't let me do it. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Bro, this one account's not letting me add the trade copy here, bro. Why is it? What the hell, man? But you know, I'll leave it where it is. ACGs, don't know what to say about them, man. all the other accounts triggered, yeah, but the ACG one didn't, and I don't know why. Like, and then I looked on the chart, and the trade copy is not even on the chart. So I was like, what the hell is going on here? Oh wait, it took that level. Okay, I got tagged on my roll stop on Funded Next. I think that's another few hundred on there on that account as well. Bro, literally 4,967 profit, almost 10k, 10%, no, 5% in it, yeah, 10 or gain. That's good. On that account, I was at 92k, so I was in 8% drawdown. Now I'm in 3% drawdown. That's good. I'm still in this trade on these accounts. I like these ones to run because this is the one with the 50k and the 200k that I only have 0.25% thingy in it. It'd be better for them to run. I'm just drawing my levels for next week, innit? I'm just gonna go toilet rapid. Someone's in the toilet, so I gotta wait. Mother close 1, 2, 3. Oh, price is going back up again, low. Alan, are you here? Alan, you here? I'm just looking at ACG, bro. I've almost passed my account. I thought it's 10% in it. It's 8%. I'm up 5%. I thought ACG was 10. I'm gonna change the trade copy and reduce the risk on the account so then I don't end up over risking on it. Six. One sec. I just need to work something out. So I need to do 9 times the risk on this account, and then that will be 0.5. Actually, no, I could be more safe than 0.5. Six, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 48, 42, 36, 6, 36, 7.5. Right, I've reduced that now on that account. This account. I'm gonna get tagged any second here on M1. Oh no. Right, I'm gonna end the stream here anyway because it's 1:15 in it, so I'll give you a call in a second, darling. Peace out, everyone. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.